This is your girl Kay back with a random yet informative video, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my extremely short but regrowing hair. Stay tuned. Just stay tuned. Oh, wait. Pause. Before you continue on, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share with at least 2 peeps. And also, number 5, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, let's get to it.
Right here, we're coming into the play, and you see the water's running, and I have to let the water adjust because you don't want your skull to be like burning. At least I know I don't, so that's why I adjust the water. Anywho, I'm taking this Clinical Strength Head and Shoulders, and this is considered my shampoo that I use because I'm trying, or was trying, to work on the bumps that I had on my head and also the scarring and whatnot. So yes, and I noticed my edges, as you can see, is a little bit thin or going bald there. Working on that slowly, but as I grow more hair, I feel like it would grow in naturally. But I'm taking the little pads on my hands, as I mentioned in almost every other video where I describe my hair, and I'm basically massaging my fingers through my hair. Yes, this is so relaxing, like, oh my gosh, I don't know. Just don't use your nose because it'll start to hurt after a while. But after I massage it everywhere, I let it sit on there for about 5 minutes, you know. And right here, I was singing this song, I'm So Into You, or I'm Into You. And here's the picture of what it looked like. But this song right here is like, I'm always, I don't know, it just gets me some type of way. It's a good song. Glad it came out. I'm glad they made it, or she made it. But can't quite frankly remember the name of the person, but I will after this. So yeah. Now you're gonna watch me bust a move. Bust a move. Watch me bust my move. Hey, bust my move. Watch me bust my. So now I'm playing in the water, and after that, I'm basically waiting for my 5 minutes to be up completely. And I'm about to start washing, or rinsing out this clinical wash of my hair. But then I noticed that the water is extremely hot for my temperature, for my head. So yeah, I fixed it. And back to rinsing off my hair. I just look so at peace, don't I? Yes, I know, because I was, as always. I know being able to wash your hair and get all of that stuff out is so refreshing. I feel like a brand new person, like you can just conquer the world even 10 times more, you know? I don't know, just a little extra pep in your step or something. But I know my hair would be feeling like loose or empty, I guess you could say, after washing my hair, but in a good way, Oh my gosh, y'all, mind my face. Like, at this point, it looked like I was fighting with the water or something, but I don't know, it just, I think water was getting in my eye. It's the faces I'm making for me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Back at it again with the dancing. And right here, I'm gonna go and grab my dry scalp conditioner, and this is what I use after putting on my, shampoo or whatnot. So I take it, and now my hair is damp at this point. So now I take this, and I just massage it all over my head with my palms or my pads of my fingers, and just make sure I get every inch, and everything. And then I let it sit on there for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll wash it off. Now, pro tip, make sure you massage it in thoroughly so you can get the full effects of having your hair conditioned, you know? Look at it, look. So conditioned, yes. That's how it's supposed to be. Clear, crisp. Even wipe your face with water, even though it probably doesn't do much, but you know, it helps within the time being. But continue, make sure you get the back head like I'm doing, make sure you get the middle part, the front. And then having short hair, really, it's like not as difficult as having long hair would be, because all the spots that you need to get is like right there, and you don't have to wait for the water to completely soak your head, or completely soak your hair to get every inch or whatever of it. So yeah, that was weird. I'm gonna continue rinsing off my hair and just making sure I got all the products out so I can go back to being refreshed again, and this time for good. Now look, watch me do my little signature modeling. Yes, smile, serving looks. Okay. Next, I am turning off the shower and getting out, shall I say. And take your handy dandy towel, wipe your face off, and voila, that be that.
I get out the shower or whatever, I go on and do my little spray, you know, my spray. And it has fenugreek seeds and aloe vera juice. Normally I keep it cold, but lately I've been keeping it out because it tends to freeze, and when it freezes bottle I can't use it on my head as I wish, so I just leave it out. But I'm gonna spray this on right now. Now, depending on how I feel, some days I would add the oil or whatever. Normally I do it 3 times every 3 days. Add the oil every 3 days, and then it would go good from there. But normally I spray this around, and then massage it in. And the whole time, as you see in the clip, I'm using my pad or whatever to massage everything in my head. Give me a little bow spot or fan spot. And then, if I want to be extra or just want a little more juiciness, then I'll take this and start going all over my head with it. Good. It's funny, Brody is down here watching me like, what is she doing? Then massage that in my head. And that's basically my hair oil. There's a lot of stuff in there. Don't want to give y'all the mama secrets. So. Then you massage, and after you massage, you do that. And then you take a brush. I don't know where my other brush is. Oh, okay. I don't really like using this brush because it's not like that hard, so I use this brush, you know, and just brush it on out. Then after that, I normally put something on my head if I don't let it go and I just want it to lay down, or not even just lay down, just because I'm cold. Like 9 times out of 10, I'm just cold. So if I'm just cold, as me just always being cold, then I'll just put something on my head. Hold on, let me go get it. After that, I'm back with the thing that I put on my head. And normally I put this little, it's like a beanie. It's a beanie, and then it's outlined the satin stuff, silk satin, whatever you want to call it. And I just go. This style is so cute to me, like. And then depending on the day, if I feel extra cozy, cover my ears, you know, then cover my whole head. But normally if I go to sleep, I just cover my whole head like this. But if I'm feeling cute, want to be cute a little bit, but like I'm cold, I don't know if that is just something about like having a little bang or whatever. Not the banger, the banger. Just kidding. But yeah, look at my little curls on my wish. But yes. Hold on. Let me see. A little bit different. Hold on. But yes, honey. Okay. Face doing a little breakup, but you know, because you're woman's times, you know what to do. That was how I washed my hair, and I gave you a little hair routine of what I normally do with my extremely short but growing 4C hair. And honey, it's just that easy. But honestly, I can't wait till my hair grow a little bit so I can do, number one, finger waves, and also I can start doing box braids in my hair. Like, for some reason I just want box braids. I know I could buy a wig and like put that on and have like box braid wig. I was considering it, but I actually want to do box braids, or feel like doing box braids. Like, who do you know just want to do box braids when they have short hair? I'll wait. Okay then, just me. So anyways, but until the next video, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share with at least 2 peeps. And you know what? Oh, also, thanks for kicking my little personality or whatever. Also, we're on the road to 100 peeps. Like, I see us slowly climbing up there. Keep on doing what you do. And for the people that constantly watch my videos and just, you know, show support, like, etc., etc. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me, because it just does. Like, who would have known I would have had like 75 followers right now and like 23 views? Not me. And then on my first video that I posted, have 3K views and like 30 something, like 100 something or something. Like, I need to go back and check my statistics, but yeah, it just feels good. It just feels like radiant. But yeah, that's enough for me. Until next time, stay safe. Peace.